Okay, again, we're looking here at the Russell 2000. We're going to go in on a buy order. Simply point and click. And we'll go for a 10 tick profit target. Each tick here is $10. We're in 10 contracts though, so that's a $1,000 profit target. So when you have a $10 per tick, but 10 contracts, that's 10 times 10 is 100, but we're in 10 ticks, so that's times another 10, 100 times 10, that's 1,000. That's how we get our $1,000 profit target. You can see from our charts here, we're using some trend line analysis. We're using a little horizontal support resistance, price action, volatility. We teach all of this to you in the course. Now, this is our trading platform on the right here. You can see these two orders that I set up automatically. It's a kind of an autopilot feature. And the bottom bracket in red is where, if things go poorly for us, that's what it'll hit and stop. It's called a stop. The top bracket is our entry, or it's our exit order with a profit and limit order. So we should get filled on that or better if it does indeed hit our profit target. Now, this is a pretty nice setup right here, and generally in these cases you get a nice pop. You'll see a nice pop in price. It might kind of hang out at the entry here for a little while, but eventually you'll see a nice pop. 8 out of 10 times that's what you'll see. It doesn't always happen, but a lot of times it does. It's a pretty nice fast move up if it does go in our direction. Right now we're not seeing it though. Oh, here we go. Now we're starting to see it. And boom, there it is. Okay, good. We hit our first profit target of 1,000. Go ahead and draw a little trend line right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take a short position here. It looks like it's pierced this trend line. So I'll get a short position here. I'm looking for a reversal here now. We're going to play a tight stop because in situations like this, if it continues up, it's made its decision and wants to go up, and so we're going to try to get out with a small loss. But many times it will reverse at this situation. So we're going to go ahead and take the reverse on this, play a tight stop, try to move in our stop to break even as quick as we can. And we'll make some pretty fast decisions here. And our traders, they work all this out for you. They let you know. They talk you through it like I'm doing. Now this trade isn't really going in our favor. So I'm going to go ahead and pull us out of this thing. Let's give it one more chance to crater on us. I don't think it will. Let's give it a chance here. And if it's made, we got another candle forming right here. If it's a green candle, it's made up its mind. It wants to go up, so we'll ride that ticket up. So I'm going to go ahead and pull us out of this trade. We lost 800 on that trade. We're up 200. I'm going to go ahead and go long here because this has already pierced it with another green candle up. That pretty much indicates to me this thing's made up its mind. It wants to continue up, and I'm not going to fight that. I'm going to ride. I just want to ride the bus. That's all I want to do is ride the bus. So I entered a long position here, set up my bracket nice, and hey, looks like this thing got a little more gas in the tank here, and we had a couple candles there, but we had that last green candle. Looks pretty nice, and it pierced the top, so I'm thinking we're in pretty good shape right here. Now again, each tick here is a $10 a tick movement, 10 contracts. Oh, there it is, we hit it. So we made our loss back on the last trade, so we're up 1,000 again. So anyway, 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loss, 1,000. Good point to stop. See y'all tomorrow.